I love my life at the moment just because the school's great. I'm not worrying that I'm falling behind on classes. I can ask my teachers questions. They always help me and always understand within quite a short amount of time. And yeah, just being able to see my horse every day and not worry about getting there late, not being able to have a lesson, it really just helps me emotionally and just with my riding. I find the quality of teaching at Teneo definitely surpasses the teaching at a brick and mortar school, because they just provide you with so many, the notes, the teachers are so willing to help you with any mistake you make. They give you so many quizzes that definitely prepare you for the tests. And yeah, they give you so much. They don't give you piles of homework where it feels like you're drowning, but they give you enough homework that actually is substantial and you can use to actually learn. And yeah, they're lovely. I love my teachers. Teneo supports me with academic queries by allowing me to email teachers. The teachers provide extra lessons for us. Like my business teacher provided 4 extra lessons leading up to exam in 1 week, and I was like, wow. But they just provide so much support for us just to go back and be able to ask the questions that we need help with, and the teachers are on it, and we actually have a clear communication with the teachers instead of having to go through a different source. I actually have had technical issues with Teneo, but they handle it greatly. So I remember my one exam, the Invigilator app froze, freaked out because obviously I don't want there to be irregularity. I'm like, oh no, they're gonna think I'm cheating. So they do offer an exam support link and put me through, solved my problem in 5 minutes. IT guy was absolutely amazing. He clicked some buttons and I was sorted. I asked my teacher, I was like, is this gonna be a problem when it comes up on all the things? And she's like, not at all, it's perfect, it's fine. But with the Teneo app, I've barely experienced any technical issues. It's always been amazing using Canvas app, and it's just great. What I would say to someone considering Teneo with a big sporting career and whatnot, if they were in a very competitive part of their sport, then I would definitely highly suggest Teneo, just because it gives you that freedom to focus on your schoolwork in your time. I don't think I would have gotten so far if I hadn't been on an online school, because I just find that ever since I moved over to Teneo, I've just had so much freedom of where I can plan my lessons. I've had more lessons. I've definitely seen an improvement. And also I just get time to spend time with my horse, and I just learn about the part of loving the horse instead of getting straight from school, riding, go home, do homework, and it's lovely.